Hey guys, so far we have been creating this website, and it's up and running right now, and everything is all set up, and we have placed our products, pricing, everything is all in place and in shape. So the next thing to do right now is to start promoting this store, to start making sales, to start actually getting sales, and we can do this promotion in so many ways. But the method I want to teach you now is a free method, which is through search engine optimization. So we need to make sure this website is search engine optimized so that our products can be able to rank on Google and bring some traffic from Google searches, and in order for us to make sales. And guys, so I want you to watch this video right now to see how I'm gonna set up the SEO for this website. Do the same for your blog, and you see that you start ranking. So this is the front end of the website. This is how the website looks like with all our products in it, and everything is working out fine. So what we want to do right now is to go to the back end of the website. So this is the back end, and we want to click settings, and this is settings. Okay, so this is where we're going to do the SEO. This is where we're going to begin the SEO to for this blog to be able to rank well on search engines, and search engines to also find it. So the title is King's Online Shop, we'll leave it that way. So click on save. Then description. So we want to add the description of what our store is all about. So make sure you're doing this stuff and you're writing in the description, and the major keywords or the key points your store is all about. So if your store is all about electronics, you want to say electronic store. If your store is all about fashion, you will say fashion store. Make sure you're writing a good quality description, because this description is what search engine is going to pull out and present to the customers when they search for your store online. So make sure you do that. So after that, you want to select the blog language. English is okay, and you want to scroll down right now. Make sure this privacy part, this box is being checked. Visible to search engine, make sure it's being checked. And after that, then scroll down to where you will see scroll down to this part, to this meta tags. This is where we're gonna start our magic now. So this meta tag, okay, you want to open the box right now and write in the search description. This is what search engine is going to look at and say, okay, this website is all about this stuff, and this website is all about this stuff. So you want to write in quality keyword, quality description that has the keywords of what your store is all about. So write it here, and after that, we're gonna move over to this custom redirect. No, we're gonna leave this custom redirect. We're not going to move into crawlers and indexing robotics text. So this stuff, we're gonna open it up right now, and want to add the custom robotics text, right? So custom robotics text, it's the one I'll show you how to get this custom robotics text now, don't worry. So we'll leave this part now and go to enable custom header tags. So let's go to this part. So we look at home page. We want to make sure search engine crawl all the pages in the home page, and they do not crawl the ones we don't have to go. So you click on all and click on no DP, no redirect, and click on save. Okay, then after that, you move to archive and search engine. So we don't want to crawl our archive pages because we're not using it for anything. So what you do is no index and click on no redirect and click on save. And after that, look at post and page start. So we want search engine to crawl all our posts and our page tags. So we'll click on all and click on no redirect and click on save. Then we'll also register for Google Search Console. So I have a Google Search Console account. So if I click on it right now, it's going to take me to my own Google Search Console. But if you don't have a Google Search Console account, just click on this icon, this link here. It's gonna take you to where you can sign up for Google Search Console. It's free. It allows you to monitor the traffic that is coming to your site, which country and what visitors are actually doing the most on your site. So you click on it, you sign up. It's free and it's easy to sign up. So that is basically it. Now let's look at how we can now add our custom robust text. Okay, so what you're gonna do is go to your browser and type in Google Blogger. So type in Google Blogger. Custom robust text. Custom robust text generator. So enter Google Blogger custom robust text generator. You're gonna scroll down right now to see what we are seeing. Okay. So we've searched on Google Blogger custom robust text generator. So this site lebanon.org came up. I know this site very right. So it's gonna ask us, okay, we should paste the URL of our website in order to generate the custom robust text. That custom robust text is the sitemap. Okay, so we should paste the URL of our website. So we'll go to our website right now so that we can get the URL. Okay, so we'll go to the website to copy our URL. So this is the URL of the site. So I copy it right now, and I go back to this website and I paste the URL and I paste it. Okay, then I'll click on generate sitemap. Then it's gonna generate the sitemap, and that sitemap it generates is what we're going to paste on that custom robust text section. Okay, so I hope you're following. So guys, here is the sitemap it's just generated. So here is the sitemap. So all we need to do right now is to copy this sitemap it generated. So copy every single part of the sitemap. Okay, so this is what we're going to paste on our backend. So we've copied it, then we'll come to this place and we'll click on custom robust text and we paste that link we just copied. Okay, we paste it and we hit save. Okay, we paste it and hit save, and that's it. That's basically it. We've done all these things, we've pasted everything, we've signed up for Google Search Console, and we are through with the SEO part of this blog or blogger blog website. So guys, I'm sure you enjoyed something from this course, and I'm sure you'll be glad doing this stuff and see how it goes, and be able to make more sales for your business, for yourself. So please, thank you for coming to taking this course. I'm sure you really gained a lot of things in this course, and I'm looking forward to seeing you again in the next course. And thank you very much for coming. You guys really mean a lot to me, and I'll see you